In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with HubSpot for real estate. If you're in the real estate business and looking to streamline your processes using HubSpot, you've come to the right place. HubSpot offers a robust suite of tools that can significantly improve your customer relationship management, marketing efforts, and sales activities. To begin, let's navigate to the Workflows section in HubSpot. Workflows are essential for automating various tasks and processes, making your life easier and ensuring you never miss a step in your communication strategy. You can find the workflows by logging into your HubSpot account and heading to the top navigation menu under the Automation tab. Click on it and you'll be taken straight to all the automated processes you can create or already have in place. Once you've located and clicked on Workflows, the next step is to access your settings. Settings in HubSpot are your command center. They allow you to customize your account to better fit your unique business needs. To get there, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a cog or gear symbol, in the upper right-hand corner of your dashboard. This will open up a vast array of options for managing different aspects of your HubSpot account. After opening your settings, you'll want to make your way over to the CRM section. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, is the core of HubSpot and a real game changer for anyone in real estate. Here you can manage your contacts, track interactions, and gain insights into customer behavior. Accessing this section is straightforward but crucial, as everything from logging client information to tracking deals starts here. Following your time in CRM settings, it's time to focus on contacts. This section is where you'll manage and organize all interactions with your leads and clients. The contacts section can significantly impact your efficiency, providing you with a comprehensive look at your interaction history with clients, allowing for personalized follow-ups and strategic planning. Next, shift your focus to the marketing section. Marketing is all about promoting your real estate listings and reaching potential clients. Within HubSpot, you can leverage various marketing tools to optimize your campaigns. These tools help you send out email campaigns, create targeted ads, and track their success, all from one centralized location. Continuing on, you're ready to explore the content section. Content is your opportunity to share valuable information that attracts and engages prospects. In HubSpot, this is where you'll create blogs, landing pages, and other lead-generating materials. Developing strong, relevant content is key to drawing in potential clients and nurturing existing ones. Finally, we'll venture into the sales section. This is vital for tracking the progress of your deals and ensuring you close them efficiently. From here, you can manage your sales pipeline, forecast future revenues, and even assign tasks to your sales team. This section is all about turning real estate prospects into clients effectively. There you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on getting started with HubSpot for real estate. These steps will help you harness the full power of HubSpot's tools, setting you up for success in managing your business more efficiently. Feel free to explore each section further to tailor HubSpot to your specific business needs.